How to check stress level on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Go to the search bar at the bottom right corner and search for a free online touch sensitivity tool by typing Check Pulse. Keep scrolling until you find and select Check Pulse, Heart Rate Monitor as shown. Tap to download and then open it. You will then be taken to the app's main dashboard page. On this page, to start measuring your heart rate, tap on the Measure button at the bottom center as shown. You will then be prompted to place your finger on the back camera. The application will now start the calibration and begin measuring your heart rate. It will then proceed to evaluate the intervals between your heartbeats. After that, the app will estimate your current stress and recovery levels. Remain still until the measurement is complete. Once the measurement process is finally complete, you can view your results. You can check your final pulse, HRV, and other metrics on this page. Following these steps, you can easily check your stress level on an iPhone.